Hi, today I'm gonna show you how I clean my paint rollers in a couple of minutes without getting dirty. That's the best way in my opinion. If you can do it outside, all you do is take the hose and you need to have a bucket or something to stand behind so you don't get dirty. And all you do is just soak. Then you're going to spin it, and that's how you get rid of the paint, and you're not gonna get dirty. And in a few minutes you're going to have a nice and clean roller. So basically you just have to soak it and spin it, soak it and spin it until the roller is nice and clean. If you're just going to squeeze it and put it in the water and just shake it, you're not going to have a good usable roller again, because all the fibers are gonna be basically stuck together. So all you need to do is all you have to do is make sure that all the fibers are nice and fluffy. So you want the roller to look almost like a brand new one. And in order to do it, you need to spin it fast. If you don't do it, then the roller is gonna be unusable again. It's almost clean. The part of it that you will protect it, you're gonna be clean. You don't have to use the bucket or whatever you have handy. Hide behind it, spin it. As you can see, roller is nice and clean and nice and it's fuzzy, just like a new one. So this is my way of cleaning the rollers in just few minutes. Thanks for watching, guys. Goodbye.